Namaste, I am Ravi Asrani, Master Trainer at Omni Vedic Ganit Sansthan, Indore, India. Welcome to this wonderful world of Vedic Maths. In today's session, we will deal with cube root of a number, which are perfect cubes. We will study cube root of 4, 5 and 6 digit number. So please keep your copy, pencil, calculator aside, because today you will use only your brain to do mathematics. We use Vedic Math Sutra Vilokanam. Means by mere inspection we can find out cube root of a number containing 4, 5 or 6 digits. But prerequisite is to by heart 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube up to 9 cube. Values are 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is equal to 512 and 9 cube equal to 729. By mere observation, we find that last digits of cubes of 2, 3, 7, 8 are their complements. Complements are or best friend of two numbers are those having sum 10. As 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, then 7 plus 3 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10. These are called complements or Purak or Param Mitra in Vedic maths. Second thing, if we take Bijank of these perfect cubes, Bijank or digit sum, also called digital root, it means Bijank means conversion of any number into the single digit. If addition is a 2 or more digit number, then these digits of addition are further added to get single digit. As here Bijank is 2 plus 7, 9 and 9 is equivalent to 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Here Bijank is 1. In case of 125, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. Bijank is 8. 6 plus 2 plus 1. In case of 6 cube equal to 216, Bijank of 216 is 9, which is equivalent to 0. In case of 7 cube, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. Means 1 plus 0 is 1. So we observe that Bijank is either 1, 9 or 8 of perfect cubes. And if we see last digits of cubes of 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. In case of 1, last digit is same 1. In case of 4 cube, last digit is 4 also. In case of 5 cube, last digit is 5. In case of 6 cube, last digit is 6 here. In case of 9 cube, last digit is 9 here. So last digit is same. Also we can observe that cube of single digit number contain 1, 2 or 3 digits. But when we take cube of 2 digit number, it will have 4, 5 or 6 digits. Contain 4, 5 or 6 digits. Now I present magical Vedic method of finding cube root. If we want to find cube root of say 1728, Then we divide 1728 in two groups in such a way that we move from right to left and form a group of 3 from right, like this. So leftmost group may contain 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digits. Here left group is of 1 digit. To find last digit of the answer, we observe last digit of the number. Here last digit of number is 8. So we take complement of 8, which is equal to 2, as 10 minus 8 is 2. And to find first digit of number, we find highest possible perfect cube, which is smaller than equal to leftmost group. Here 1 cube is smaller than equal to 1. So first digit is 1 only. So our answer is 12. Cube root of 1728 is 12. We take one more example to better understand the process. If we take any number, say 389017, and if we want to find out cube root of 389017, first of all we check its Bijank. This 9 can be deleted, 8 plus 1 9 can be deleted, 7 plus 3 is 10. Here Bijank of this number is 1. So it will be a perfect cube. And to find cube root, we form two groups. Rightmost group having last digit 7. So answer of cube root will have last digit 10 minus 7 3, or complement of 7. Now we observe first group or leftmost group. Here leftmost group is 389. So what we do? We find highest possible perfect cube, which is smaller than equal to this leftmost group 389. So here we find 343 or 7 cube. 7 cube is smaller than 389. So our answer 73. First digit of answer or tens place digit of answer is 7. So our final answer is 73. We take one more example. Say 636056. 636056. First we find Bijank of 636056. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is equivalent to 0. Then 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. And 1 plus 7 is 8. Here Bijank is 8. So it is a perfect cube. Now to find cube root, we divide this number into two groups. As rightmost group having last digit 6. So cube root will have last digit 6. As we have observed earlier, cubes of 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 having same last digits, and cubes of 2, 3, 7, 8 are their complements. To find tens place digit of the answer, we observe leftmost group and we find highest possible perfect cube, which is smaller than equal to leftmost group. So here we find 8 cube. 8 cube is smaller than 636. 9 cube is greater than 636. 729 is greater than 636. And 512 is smaller than 636. So tens place digit will be 8. So our final answer is 86. Isn't it interesting? I hope you have learnt and enjoyed this magical Vedic method of finding cube root. By mere inspection we can find out cube root. If you want to see more magic methods, magical Vedic methods, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.